Hello, everyone, and welcome to Only Competition Assam. From today onwards, we will start a new, we are thinking of introducing a new session. So let's see. Today, for this special batch SSC GD 2026, we will be practicing mixed questions. And most importantly, we will use the coding decoding, the topic which usually comes and which carries most of the weightage, will have to in today's session a bigger emphasis. Okay, so before starting the class, welcome everyone and good evening. Before starting the class, let's talk about some of the important discussions. Okay, so we have introduced all Assam Government Exam Foundation batch for those students who are willing to invest in their future. For example, you don't want to select different batches for different exams, then you can go for this particular batch which covers not only one exam but multiple exams. For example, you can cover ADRE, Assam Police, DHS, Apex, RRB, and SSC. So, good evening, students. And for this batch, if you want to enroll, there's a special offer that is you don't have to pay 4,000 rupees. You will only pay rupees 2,999 only if you use the code PK015. Okay, PK015. Only if you use that particular code and enroll yourself in this batch. If you enroll yourself in this batch, give me a message in the mentorship group where I will guide you in the whole process. We can also discuss about the free materials which we can provide you, all the current affairs, day-to-day current affairs and everything. Okay, mock test 2, mock test 2. So without any delay, let's start today's first question. Now, students might get confused. Students might get confused that this question is from logical reasoning or syllogism. Is this question from logical reasoning or syllogism? But I will say that the students who are thinking that this particular question is from syllogism, then no, it is not from syllogism, it is from logical reasoning. But even if you don't understand, I will explain it to you. First, in logical reasoning, we study the statements first. We study the statements first, and then we in conclude the conclusions. Okay, there are two conclusions which we decide according to the statement. Okay, according to the statement. Good evening. Who is this? Parishmita Das. Okay, good evening. Okay. Now let me check. Let me check. All the educated persons follow public rules. Okay, all educated persons follow public rules. Some of the educated some of the educated person follow government rules. We know one thing that educated person follow all the public rules. Okay, they follow all the public rules, and some of the educated person follow government rules. Not all educated person follow public rules. Okay, now not all educated person follow government rules. So come to the first conclusion here. Educated person who follow government rules also follow public rules. Yes, this is correct. First conclusion is correct because all the educated person follow public rules that we know. All educated person follow public rules. But some of the educated person follow government rules. That means what? That means, for example, if this is the educated person, all of them will follow public rules. But some of them, like for example, this course, okay, this portion will follow government rules. But one thing is for sure that educated person will follow public rules for sure because here all is written, isn't it? So first conclusion is true. Second conclusion, some do not follow government rules. Some do not follow government rules. Now, in this particular sentence. In the second sentence, they have said that some of the educated person follow government rules. They have not said about the persons that they do not follow government rules. And from the statement, we cannot conclude about the negative scenario, because in the statements there is no negativity between educated and government rules. We don't have any negative relation between educated person and government rules. That is why second conclusion will be false. We are having only one conclusion that is correct. That is option number C. Conclusion 1 follows. Only conclusion 1 follows for question number 40. Okay? That you have to understand. Yes, very good. Next. Now, this particular question is not from logical reasoning. This is from syllogism. Okay? All lawyers are liars. Now, look, don't get offended. In syllogism, we don't make logical statement. So if anybody is there which is related to lawyer or something like that, it is not about offending them, or this particular sentence is also not logically correct. It is just an example of syllogism. And in syllogism, you all know that there is no logical statement. Some of the statements are like some cats are dogs, which is not even possible. But we try to solve this. Okay, this is according to syllogism. Come. Now, what will be the answer for question number 41? Okay, let me check. All lawyers are liars. Okay, all lawyers are liars. L-I-O. Some women are lawyers. Some women are lawyers, and I will make like this. Some women are lawyers. This is the intersection part between lawyers and women. All good? Diagram is correct, I guess so. Conclusion 1. Some women are liars. Yes. Because there is an intersection part between women and liars. Okay. So this is correct. All liars are women. No, this is not correct, because the Venn diagram of liar doesn't lies between women elements. Okay, therefore, second conclusion is false, and therefore my answer will be option number C. Only conclusion 1 follows. Only conclusion 1 follows. Done? Good afternoon, Srihan. Good afternoon. Now, can you solve this particular question? I know this question is a bit tricky, but you students are very smart now. You have to find the pattern between the statements given and then the answer. How will you find the pattern between 3 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5 is equals to 36? What is the pattern? Think about it. Here, some equations are solved on the basis of a certain system, means certain pattern it is, okay? Find out the correct answer for the unsolved equation on that basis. Means you have to find the pattern first from 1 to 3, these 3 examples, and then apply that pattern to the fourth equation. Okay, will you be able to do that? Question number 42. Question number 42. What will be the answer? More than the answer, I am worried about the sequence or the pattern. What will be the pattern? I want the pattern first. I want the pattern first. Here we have 36, 16, 58. 58. Are you able to answer the pattern? Are you able to discover what is the pattern inside going on? Have a look here. In equation 1, it is 3 plus 8 plus 5 into 5. Because this is 36. 5 into 5 is how much? 25. And with 25, how much you need to add on so that you can get 36? You will add 11. That 11 you can find from the first sum of the first two digits. And therefore, means I have gone through the reverse pattern. From the last I have started calculating. If it is 36, 5 into 5 is 25, then go to the first two terms. Okay. This is the first equation. Here we have 11 plus 25, that is 36. Yes. RHS equals to LHS here. Next, 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is how much? 8 plus 8 into 1. 8 into 1. 8 into 1 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 8 is equals to 16. 8 plus 8 is equals to 16. Then in the third equation also we have to apply that 8 plus 5 is equals to 13. Okay, 13. And then plus 9 into 5. 9 into 5. That is 13 plus 45 is equals to, okay, 58. That means if the pattern satisfies three equation, then it is mandatory that it will follow the fourth equation. What will be the fourth equation? 7 plus 4 plus 3 into 8. 3 into 2. So 7 plus 4 is how much? 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 8 into 3 is how much? It is 24. That is 35. Is 35 in my option? Yes. 35 is in the option. That is option number A. Option number A. Are you able to identify the pattern? Look, here the answer is not important. Here, for me, the pattern is important because you need to know, you need to identify, you need to have a clever mind to find out the pattern. Okay? Okay, fine. Now, next. Question number 1. Question number, what is this one? Question number 1, and this particular option is option A. This is option 2. What option? Okay. Now, find out in which equation the statement satisfies. The statement satisfies. What should be question number 44 actually? 44? 45. This should be 44. I don't know how it got changed, but anyway, what will be the answer? Question number 44. Question number 44. Now, if I convert the letters into the symbols, then what I will get? C means into, B means minus, D means divide, and A means plus. First, I need to check I need to go according to Bodmas rule. Okay, Bodmas rule. I hope so you all know about Bodmas rule, isn't it? B for bracket, O for off, D for divide, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Now, if I follow the formula or the pattern, then what I have to do? First, I need to find the answer for option A. 9 into 9 is equals to 81, minus 9 divided by 9 is 1, plus 9. This can never be equal to 17. That is why option A is incorrect. Now let me check for option B. This is plus, this is minus, this is into, plus, and divide. Okay. 3 plus 3 is equals to 6, minus 3 into 3 is equals to 9, plus this is 1. Okay. 6 minus 9 is equals to minus 3 plus 1 is equals to minus 2. This particular option is also not correct. Now let's go for option number C. B means minus, divide, plus, into. Okay? C means into, na? Okay, fine. That means 8 minus 6 divided by 2 is 3 plus 4 into 3 is equals to 12. 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. 5 plus 12 is equals to 17, which does not satisfy your answer. Then my answer will be option D only, but even though I need to go according to the question and check if this satisfies or not. Let me check, okay? Option number D, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 minus 8 into 8 is equals to 64. That means this is 16 minus 64, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is 8, 5 minus 1, yes. Minus 48, that is equals to right hand side. That is equals to right hand side. Here, left hand side is equal to right hand side, and that is why my statement is true for option number D. For option number D. In this particular question, there is nothing but calculation. There is nothing but calculation, isn't it? Yes. And that is why I have checked each and every option for you. But in the examination, you don't have to do so much because your time is precious. And from now onwards, as you all know that SSC have introduced sectional timing. Each and every second is important for us. So whenever you find that no, from equation option A, we will not find the correct equation or correct answer, just leave it. Okay, just leave it. Next question. Question number 45. You need to find the coding decoding question. This is a question from coding decoding question, that is letter coding and number coding. This is a question of mixed coding decoding. Mixed coding decoding. Okay, fine. So from now onwards, as you all know that SSC have introduced sectional cutoff, sectional timing. That means this time there will be a different story, completely different story for each and every aspirant who is preparing for SSC, be it SSC GD, be it SSC CGL or anything. Whenever the syllabus changes, okay, or whenever the pattern change, there a number of changes comes which gives opportunity to all the students out there. Okay, so I hope so you can grab this opportunity, understand the pattern, and then give the answer. Okay, give means go and give the exam too. Question number 45. Question number 45. Let me write down the pattern. Green is written as 29, 22, and 30. Okay. Now here G is written as 20. R is written as 9. E22, N is written as 13. Are you able to understand the pattern here? Yes, opposite letters. Very good. Here we have the opposite letters. Somebody have given me the pattern. Wait, who is that? Shrihan. Very good, Shrihan. Now G opposite is T. T position value is 20. For each and every letter, we have the opposite numbers, okay, opposite letters and their position value. So here we need to find the opposite of yellow, Yalloww. Y's opposite is B. So position value of B is how much? 2. We need to find 2. Every option contains 2. Then A opposite is Z. So Z position value is 26. Option B will be eliminated. Option C will be eliminated. Option D will be eliminated. Only option A is my correct answer, because here we have found that A's opposite is Z and Z position value is 26, and other options does not satisfy. Done? Good. Very good. Now, let's move to the next question. Question number 1. From now onwards, we will be giving importance to coding decoding. Okay, coding decoding, completely coding decoding. First, we will be solving very easy questions. Okay, first we will be solving very easy questions, and then we will go to the tougher side. Then we will go to the tougher side. What will be the answer for question number 1? Question number 1. What will be the answer for question number 1? Yes, very good. Who is this? Pallav Kalita. Pallav Kalita. Banker is written as N-A-B-K, sorry, R-E-K. R-E-K. Here, what is the pattern? They have just divided the banker in two halves and then written the two halves in reverse form. Okay. B is written here, N is written here, A is written here. K is written here, R is written here, and E is written here. That means both the word has been divided into half, and then both the halves have been written in reverse order. Reverse order. Okay. So the answer for string will be RTS. 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 Option number B. Option B. In coding decoding or any other question, when you need to find the pattern, we don't waste our time in the option selection. We just go through the given word or number and then find the pattern, use it directly in the question without writing anything, just using the options, correct options. Okay, fine. Now this is a coding decoding question, but here letter and numbers are being mixed. What can be the pattern? Tell me. Easy, na? Okay, very easy. Now, what about question number 2? What about question number 2? If it is easy, then you have to answer me in within seconds, like 5 seconds. Now, CAB, position value of CAB is 312. Find the sum of all these numbers. It is 6. But here it is given as 12. Then 6 into 2 is how much? 12. We need to find the pattern. We need to find the pattern. FED. Then it is 6, 5, and 4. We need to find the sum. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 into 2 is 30. I have found the pattern. I have found the pattern. Now I don't have to worry about the answer. The answer will be 8 plus 9 plus 4 plus 5. Need to add everything. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 26 into 2 is how much? This is 12. 52. Option number C. Option number C. Let me write it here on 26 into 2. Is it okay? Look, if the questions are easy, you need to answer me very fast. Okay? Very fast. Next, solve this question. Question number 3. Question number 3. From now onwards, I will not give much time. For 1 minute, we will solve one question. Okay? Question number 3. What is the answer for question number 3? Nobody is answering. Why? Because this question is also, I think it is easy. I think it is easy. Yes. Shrihan, you are correct. And the pattern here itself is Question. Tion. Okay. Is written as OPJUTFVR. What is the pattern here? What is the pattern here? Position value of each and every letter is what? 17, 18, 21, 22. I'm writing the position value in such a way that you will be able to understand the pattern. Look at it. 5, 6, 19, 20, 20, 21, 9, 10, 15, 15, 16, 14, 15. Then this means we have a diagonal pattern. We have a diagonal pattern. Understood now? If we use this diagonal pattern here in factor, what will be my answer? F plus 1 is here plus 1 plus 1. F plus 1 means 7. 7 means G. Where is G? In the last position, G is only in option number C. Option number C. And that is why my correct answer will be option C. Is everyone able to understand the pattern? Tell me. Plus 1? Yes. Shrihan, it is plus 1, but diagonal sequence. Okay, diagonal sequence. Okay. If you like the session, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Only Competition Assam. Okay, I hope so you are able to solve the questions, and therefore I'm asking you to like the questions so that we can continue this series in a maybe different way, but we can continue. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4. What will be the answer for question number 4? Tell me. Okay. Here, Shrihan and Parishmita Das is having a very good competition. Well done, students. You are involving yourself in a very healthy manner of competition. And in that way, you can improve much better. Okay? Because yes, every aspirant is a competitor, no doubt. Every aspirant is struggling in their own way. But when you compete with each other, that also in a very healthy way, it is the best thing one can do. Okay. That is written as 9, 4, 4, and 10. That means first, here we are adding plus 1, here minus 1, plus 1, and minus 1. Here also plus 1, minus 1, and plus 1. That means if we use this pattern in bike, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. That is B plus 1 is 3. This is 8. This is 10. Not 10, this will be 12. That is option number A. Option number A for question number 4. For question number 4. Correct? Okay, very good. Now can we go to the next question? Question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. What will be the answer for question number 5? Option A, B, C, D. We have 4 options. Are you able to answer the question? Tell me. Question number 5. It is. Wait, let's tell you how the question is going. Fake. Okay. Fake is written as 5, 2, 1, 0, and 6. Okay. Now, position value of F is how much? 6. Here minus 1. Here plus 1. Here minus 1. Here plus 1. Okay. If we apply this pattern, we will get another answer. But before that, I want to check for math. M-A-D, math. What is the pattern? 1, 2, 2, and 5. Here, M position value is 13 minus 1 plus 1. This is plus 1. Now, most of the students will get confused here. In this particular word, what the pattern, it seems that the pattern goes like minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. But in this particular word, which is already given, does not satisfy your answer. Because here the pattern is a little bit different from what you are thinking. The pattern goes like, for vowel, it is plus 1, and for consonant, it is minus 1. And that is the pattern actually. And that pattern you might miss because you are in a hurry. You just check for the first pattern and does not check the next given option. That you should not do in the examination. Okay, fine. So according to this particular question, vowel plus 1 and consonant minus 1. So here we will do my plus 1. What's that? Consonant minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1. D minus 1 is how much? 3. This is option A. 3. Then 6, 6, 3, then 6, 6. Why is my pattern not satisfying the answer? 6, 6, 7. Vowel is plus 1. How is my answer not correct? Let me check, okay? Question number 5. 6, 6. Because minus 1. Yeah. Okay, this particular question is a bit wrong, I guess. Okay, don't do this question. Don't do this question. Okay, don't do this question. Otherwise, you might get confused. Actually, the correct answer is this one. If I go according to this, minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, then my answer comes, okay, 3, 6, 4, and then here 19. But how does it, what it doesn't satisfy is math. Minus 1, 12 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Let's see, this is not the pattern. Vowel and consonant is not the pattern. Okay. Next question. Next question. Question number 6. Question number 6. Okay. What will be the answer for question number 6? If machine is written as, this is a very easy question. Machine is coded as CAM, then H, E, N, R. E, N, R. The position values of all the numbers are as it is. They have just arranged the letters according to the pattern where they have used the first tree as diagonal, last tree as diagonal, and the middle term as it is. Okay, middle term as it is. If we apply this pattern in the monster, what will be my answer? NOM. Okay, NOM. This is my answer. After that, SRTE. Option A. Option A. Okay, yes. Next. This will be our last question number 7. This will be our last question number 7. Bachelor. Okay, bachelor, that is BACHELOR. Bachelor is written as SNN VIBBA. Now, if you compare position values, this is 2, 1, 3, 8, 5, 12, 15, and 18. Okay. Now start writing from here. 1, 2, 2, 9, 4, 13, 14, and 19. In this particular pattern, you are completely able to identify the pattern that this one is -1, then it is +1, then it is -1, -1, then here it is +1, here it is -1, +1, -1, +1. So they are using the pattern -1, +1, but in a diagonal way. Okay. So if we use this particular pattern in the cohesion, what will be my answer? -1. Now, the last here, B will come. Then O plus G minus, yes. This is our answer. Option number B. Option number B. Okay. And my pattern is what? Diagonal. Pattern is what? Diagonal. Okay. So, this is all for today's class. I hope so you have been able to understand all the patterns, all the questions. If you like the session, please do give a like and subscribe to Only Competition Exam. And hope so we will meet in the next session. And don't forget, tomorrow in the morning, we will start from 12:15. Okay, 12:15 is the timing for the class. Thank you, students. Till then, keep practicing.